Rally was started in the early 60s as an enduro actually. We ran enduro for several years. It's been a long-standing event, and we ran the rally on the side of Stockmans Enduro for many years. Around 2006, 2007 we started just doing the rally only for a couple of reasons, mainly because access to the forest with single tracks required for an enduro. The forest just couldn't accommodate that, but we like to try and keep the event running. It's a great event. The event supports some great charities, and that's why we want to keep on pushing ahead to keep this event alive.
So conditions this year, we've had a lot of rain. It'll probably be the wettest one that we've had in recent history, even probably wetter than last year. But it looks like we do have a sunny day for the ride. So not too bad after these fog lifts, we have a sunny day. I guess for this sort of event, you cater to all levels of riders. We're not a racetrack, but there's stuff that'll challenge the riders on the second loop that are maybe some of the faster riders, and certainly loop one that a lot of the beginners will do. A little bit of challenge for some that are pretty green, but they usually all end up smiling at the end of the day.
Well, mate, we're what, about 18 k's in. What do you reckon?
So far so good. Slippery, but good fun.
Yeah, a little bit wet, bit of open road, really good for the novice, and there was a little bit of technical part for the novice guys too. Now we've got another, what, 50 k's to go. So you and your boy are out for a ride?
Yeah, first one, the Stockmans. So.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah. Awesome track, man. I'm just loving it out here, to be honest.
Wow, you'll have to tell them how good it was.
I tell them I was on the back wheel most of the ride.
Just lead the pack.
Yeah, I won't believe a word of it.
Well, Ramma, 2017 Stockmans Rally, done and dusted. What do you think of it, buddy?
Fantastic as always, mate.
Yeah, it's always a great rally. It really is something for the guy that wants to come up and enjoy himself with his friends. We see a lot of groups that come up together, don't they? They have a lot of mates that come up and ride around. A lot of guys that might only ride a couple of times of the year. Nice, easy trail ride, and you get a meal at the end of it. How good is that?
Yeah, definitely. And for the ladies, I probably saw about at least a dozen ladies riding this, which was good to see.
There's more women coming out and riding more often, which is fantastic. I actually seen two couples, a husband and wife riding around, which was great.
Yep.
Mate, it's a great old rally altogether. What was your highlight of the day?
The weather is the number one thing that sticks out, but just the way it's organised. It's so organised. You've got a kitchen, you've got catering, you've got the officials are just everywhere, pointing out to help out. It's just great.
First big hit out to the WR250. Yeah. Did very well. Smashed you on it, so we did very well on the WR. Great bike, I really enjoyed it, and really enjoyed the day. I was a bit worried, as you said yesterday, when we come up with all that rain, but it turned out to be perfect.
Yeah, can't argue with the weather. Absolutely perfect.
Bring on 2018, Ramma, what do you reckon?
Yeah, let's go.
Can't wait, I'll be here.